Okay, we're watching popcorn stuff, shipping stuff. Because I have the shop door open. And they're running around. And they're all trying to see who can get inside first. Now you gotta watch these little suckers, man. I mean, this is like, wow. A minute ago, a wind come through, and they're all going clockwise. And it's like, they're fighting to get inside the shop. So I have to sweep them up. Well, you can't sweep the little suckers up. So there they are. Okay, we're waiting for the wind. Look at them, chasing each other. Are you ready? Da-da-da. Up. Did he get inside? No. Well, there's two of them running around over here. Okay, where's the wind coming from? We gotta wait for the wind. Okay, it's all right. Where's the wind? They're all laying out here going, okay, it's all right. Oh, look out, they're moving. They're chasing each other. They're them little styrofoam puffy things that just, what can I say? But give me another beer and I'll find something else to photograph. Look at them. They're just chasing around. Now I'll move my feet. Look at this. Look at him. He's just running around out there. Okay, watch. Here they all are. They're ganging up over there. See? They're all going into one place. Look at that. They all landed on the same piece of patch carpet at the entrance to the gate. Look at them little suckers, man. They're just chasing each other out there. Can you see that? Hope you can see that. Look at that. They moved 4 feet across the driveway. Now they're going underneath there. Look at these little styrofoam suckers, man. Here they go. All right. Okay. I'm going to turn around and show you how many of them are fighting to get in the shop. Holy cow! They're all in the shop! Can you believe this? They all run inside the shop. Well, guess what? That's my video for the day. This is Ape Video at loveracing.com, and I'm doing the hoochie coochie. All right, bye. Hold on a minute. We'll go outside. Are you ready? We'll go see if the wind's going to get... There they go. Look out. Here they go. Look out. Oh, there they go. Where are they going to go now? They're just laying here, see? They just float around. See, we'll follow this one.
You whistled and those guys came running.
See, I whistled? Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're just running around. Look at that. Little styrofoam thingies are coming to get you. Oh, man, I missed it. Right here they go. Look at this. Here they go. They're twirling. They're moving. If y'all watch this, I think you're in trouble. Because I need another beer. This is loveracingjerrygoose.com. See ya. Is this thing still recording? I turned it off. We'll try it again.